Looks so funny. Anyways, buhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So for today, I always tell this in every video that I have that I'm always excited, especially because I'm arranging them now. Especially when I'm going to try on new lipsticks. So I have with me the 5 lipstick collaboration of L'Oreal Philippines, I think specifically, with Love Marie. So if you want to see how it swatches and how it looks on my lips, stay tuned and let's get started. Okay guys, if you're not so sure who Love Marie, I forgot her full name, but I know she got married, and anyways, she's a celebrity from the Philippines and she's so talented that she does paintings and all, and L'Oreal Philippines actually did a collaboration with her that she will be able to put like her paintings on the tube of the lipsticks from L'Oreal, and I believe that these are L'Oreal's, I forgot, Color Riche Matte collection. It's actually an existing colors. I'll put the somewhere here. So it's those black packaging with the L'Oreal thingy, and then it's 399 pesos. It actually launched like I think last June. I'm not this June because I'll be uploading this video on a Sunday. I actually have another plan for today. I filmed another video, but then I said scrap it. I'll post that video next week. But so I haven't tried any L'Oreal Paris lipsticks actually. For somebody who loves lipstick, I don't know why I haven't gotten the chance to actually try their lipstick. But anyway, so on their website of L'Oreal said that it's actually infused with jojoba oil, jojoba, Victoria is jojoba oil, and caniva oil. It's supposed to be matte without drying your lips. You know, I already have dry lips, and it's supposed to be smooth and long lasting. Okay, so the collaboration with Love Marie actually has 5 colors, and as you can see, they did say that because I'm so scared that I would drop this off. So anyways, it's actually, I just want to show you how pretty it is. It's an existing painting that she has. So when you put all the lipstick actually together, I don't even know how I'm supposed to arrange this, but I would take a photo and I would arrange it together with this so you can see side by side how it looks like with the lipsticks, and then the photo of the lipsticks together with the real. So it's supposed to be like this. It's actually so beautiful. I'm so scared I'm going to drop it. Victoria, don't drop. If it drops, I'm going to cry. So it's like this. It's so pretty, but the packaging that it came in is actually their traditional black packaging, and it just have L'Oreal X Love Marie. How I wish that they actually did the same to the packaging, because I'm a collector of lipsticks and I usually keep all my limited collection packaging, and I'll show you a DIY on how you can actually make an art piece out of it, so that you can actually display them and just not keep them inside your box or cupboard. So I actually, okay, maybe I'll include this, we'll see, but it's not as, okay, never mind Victoria, stop rambling. So since I have 5 colors, we're going to go through them from the lightest to the darkest shade. Okay, so I'll remove my lipstick and we'll get started. Okay, let's go and try them on now. I don't even have any lip balm underneath because they did say you're going to get a matte look without drying your lips, so we'll see. So the first one will be 2-in-1 called Spring Rosette, a good pink lipstick that gives you such a fresh and youthful look. Okay, next will be 233 Rouge A Porter. I don't even know whether I pronounce it correctly. A peachy shade is a must-have for summer with its warm, light color. Next is 247 Hinted Blush. It's a classic shade of pink mauve. This color is one of Heart's Evangelista's favorite color. Next is 298. It's Brick Planet. A flattering mix of brown and red for a darker lip that can be worn every day. And last but not the least is 266 Pure Rouge, a red lipstick as a go-to power color for that boost of confidence. Anyways, so this is my first time actually trying L'Oreal lipstick Color Riche Matte, and surprisingly I do like it. When you were applying it, it does give you this, like, it applied smoothly. I'm not so sure whether it's going to be long lasting. Unfortunately, I will not be able to do a wear test with you guys because I think I'm planning to film another video. But in case I could, and then I will insert it somewhere how long it's lasting, I'm going to wear this red lipstick, which, if you've been following me for the longest time, you guys know I'm so biased with red lipstick. And this is actually a true red lipstick. I love it. I keep on looking at myself at the monitor viewfinder actually, and I love it. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. But anyways, let's go to my favorites. So out of the 5 collection, what I actually like is 266, which is the Pure Rouge. And then next is 233, which is Rouge A Porter. I think so, that's how you pronounce it. I think my hair is like 247, which is Hinted Blush. The other colors, which is 298, I find it too brown for me, which, okay, I can actually give it to one of my friends, but then I'll be breaking out the set, and then it would defeat the purpose of me buying everything because I actually want to display it and like look like her art piece. And 211, which is Spring Rosette, and actually the pink is actually nice, but then I just don't wear pink, or maybe I should start wearing pink. We'll see, I'll try. But so far so good. I do like the collection. I think it's still available in Lazada if you're in the Philippines. I don't know whether they ship it internationally because I know it's just an exclusive collection for in the Philippines. So here are the swatches. Can you see? Okay, so now with this, let's just remove them. Oh my goodness, my skin would be stained. So it only means that if you use this and then you keep on eating or drinking, I think it's going to be long lasting. You will still have a stain, but I think if you go with micellar water at night, if you need to remove it, then it would be easier. I'm just using a wet tissue. But anyways, so if you like this type of video wherein I swatch, try on lipstick, which I think I should just rename my channel to Miss Chuchubells Lipsticks, or Lipstick Love of Miss Chuchubells. I'm not so sure because it's one of my favorite things to do actually. Anyways, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about celebrities collaborating with cosmetic brands? Do you like this collaboration with Love Marie Evangelista? So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, did you get your hands on this? Because I know it's already like out of stock. I'm not so sure when they're going to restock, but so far I like it. So It's not, if they say it's not drying, yeah, it's not drying. I don't feel that my lips are like drying. So anyway, stop. So if you like this type of video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!